arrived in the first place we stopped by.
Ooh, that's awesome.
There are people.
He's about to throw that too.
They're throwing hatchet. This is that meme, Alone Forever. 1818. We're right here. Wait. 1810. Oh wow, that's cute. Well, I guess we're moving in. This is where we're living now. I'm leaving Keegan to bring in the stuff, but montage.
It's cool.
This is weird. Yeah, it's supposed to clear up later today, so hopefully it will. No, they're all trying to, it's crazy. It's like, I see maybe 20 boats and a couple ships like trying to escape it, because you could see the storm like chasing them and they're trying to get out. I am like an old person, I can't get over it. And now the storm has arrived. Holy crap. Oh shit! You just scared the shit.
I've been right here. These mugs are too small. They have like goblin fingers. They're the only fingers that can fit through here.
First review of the place we're staying at. Cups too small.
Cups are too small.
Look at my sunburn. It's such a weird pattern.
It is weird.
Doesn't it? I've seen all the fancy pantses getting ready in their Bugattis, Manicottis, on a hot body. So today we're getting ready in our Camry. Yeah.
I can't wait to just sit on the road and watch you put on your makeup.
We're on our way back from Destination. YSL. Come on, all in one, baby. That is what you used. If you would like to see Keegan do my makeup and give me the look that all men want you to wear, I'll leave that link below. I can do these. We'll never stay in the hotel we stayed at this time ever again. Moving on to conceal, don't feel. I had a lot of freckles come out to play this time around, didn't I?
Yeah, I never noticed you have freckles when you got sun.
Yeah, I used to have freckles like when I was a kid. Across like my nose and stuff.
That's all I am, is one big ass freckle.
But I think like using retinol and things, like,
it looks like my face is like a piece of freckle glass.
I was really surprised that like a lot of the kids were just allowed to go in the elevator and stuff by themselves. Like there were so many times where Keegan and I were in the elevator and a kid would hop on with no parent in sight. Like, have you ever heard of a kidnapping? Moving on to the eyeballs, I'm just going to take my soft glam and it just kind of conceals the tired. Hot tips and tricks over on Mallory Cornelisson's channel. I'm gonna curl my lashes in. I'm gonna accept the challenge of applying falsies. Stay there. My skin is dry from that sand and sun and salt in the air. Girl's gotta get her Dysport when she gets home. Trim these down and be right back and put them on. Alright, gonna try to put my lashes on. Ooh, not too bad, not too bad. Okay, so I think that's as good as it's gonna get. Brushes fall everywhere. Makeup disaster in the car. Now I can actually use that in my title and get some clickbait, you know what I'm saying? Using this Becca Shiz. I really love this bronzer, so that's why I've been using it all the time. dang good for being in the car and being really car sick now. The lip gloss I'm gonna use is the new M Cosmetics True Gloss. I got sent these before we left for Destin, and I really like this formula, and my favorite shade is, although I like all the shades, I'm gonna try to do a swatch video on Instagram, but this is the shade Truffle Haze, not that you can see that right now, and we're going into a tunnel. We're still doing this, it's still on. The vanilla scent. And easy applicator. Isn't that a pretty color? Cute as hell. We could go to the club. Let's get you some wispies out. Girl, you gotta look. What do you think? 8 out of 10?
6.
Oh.
Definitely an 8 now.
See? Looking cute and feeling cute. Alright, well, that's it. And hopefully you guys enjoyed this. And like, subscribe, comment below. What would you like to see next? That's it. Check my channel. I'm uploading content every now and then and all the time. So, okay, bye you guys.